Hi friends, welcome to Nisha's Food Hut. Today we are going to see an easy and a simple evening snack recipe made of bread. For that I have taken 4 spoons of melted butter, wheat bread 2 slices. If you opt to sweet bread or milk bread, it's completely fine. Now I am going to apply the melted butter to the bread. Please make sure that you're applying the melted butter entirely to each corner of the bread and see whether it's entirely filled. Now I'm going to add palm sugar to give and enhance the sweetness of this recipe. You can also use sugar or brown sugar. I actually prefer palm sugar for this recipe as it is very crunchy. In a dosa tawa, I'm just going to grease some butter. Instead of butter, you can also use ghee. After greasing this, we are going to just place the bread pieces that we have filled and kept. The flame should be between medium and low. So now we are going to just cook it for a minute. After cooking it for a minute, I'm going to just sprinkle some milk fully on the bread. It's completely fine if you're going to use a spoon to apply the milk on the bread. It gives a different flavor. Once the milk is poured, flip the bread on the other bread and give a firm press so that the milk, the palm sugar and the butter that we have added gives a sticky consistency to both the breads. On the top of the bread, I'm going to add some milk and just make it more flavorful. After the milk is poured, immediately flip the bread again. Here again we are going to add some milk on the top of the bread. So adding milk and toasting the bread actually gives a very good taste for this toast. So our simple, easy milk bread toast is ready. It's very simple and easy. You can always provide as an evening snacks for the kids who return from school. It's very mouth-watering and tempting. So do please try this recipe at home and convey your comments in the comment section. Please press the bell icon below to get my future videos. Subscribe to Nisha's Food Hut. Stay connected and thanks for watching. If there is any other recipe that you are looking forward for me to post, please update in the comment section. Eagerly waiting for it. Thank you.